Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao. The name that can be named is not the eternal name. The Tao is both named and nameless. As nameless, it is imbued in all things. As named, it is the mother of all form. Free from desire, you realize the mystery. Caught up in desire, you see only the manifestations. Yet mystery and manifestations arise from the same source. This source is no thing and the doorway to all understandings. If you look only at some things as beautiful, the other things will become ugly. If you look only at some things as good, the other things will become bad. Looking at things as they truly are is freedom. Being and non-being create each other. The difficult is born in the easy. Long is defined by short, the high by the low. Before and after go along with each other. Therefore, the sage lives openly within apparent duality and paradoxical unity. He acts without effort and teaches without words. Things arise and he let them come. Things disappear and he let them go. He nurtures but doesn't possess. He acts but doesn't expect rewards. When the work is done, it is forgotten. That is why it lasts forever. If you overvalue great achievements, people will struggle and become powerless. If you overesteem possessions, people will begin to steal. That is why the sage leads by emptying people's minds and filling their hearts. By awakening their ambitions and strengthening their inner core. He helps people lose everything they believe to know, every desire that keeps them enslaved, and creates confusion in those who think to know it all. Practice non-doing. When action is pure and selfless, everything falls perfectly into place.